The first is not basing your budget on data. A lot of people go with instinct and they go with a gut feel and they think, okay, well, this is how I think it's going to play out over the course of the next year. But if you've got the data, use it. Yeah, review your previous year's budget to ascertain, when you had revenue or revenue shortfalls or expense overruns. You've got the data. You can use that as the basis to build next year's. Now, I'm not saying don't go with your gut feel as well, because you've been in that industry for a while, so you have an idea maybe of which way you think your department, your organization, the industry is going to go. But one of the mistakes is do not discount. Yeah, do not discount the data available. So that's one mistake where people just go with gut feel. The other mistake is, are you tracking your revenue and expenses? So if you don't track, if you don't track, how do you know how you've done from one period to the next? So you may have got a budget, you've got a budget for the next year, but if you're not tracking each period, each month, how you're doing from one month to the next, you don't know about your progress. And also, you've got nothing to fall back on when you're doing next year's budget, because you're missing out on data from last year. Do you see? So not tracking revenue and expenses is also a mistake as well. And then that takes me to the third element, which is setting unrealistic goals. So if you don't have historical data, how do you know your goals are realistic in any way, shape, or form going forward? So looking at past data can let you know about your current budget and whether that's on the right track or not. Does it look far-fetched? Does it look achievable? And it's always good to have that reality check. So the three I've just mentioned, they're linked. There are many more, but I'll keep it for those three at the moment.